Okay, so when you're done your island, you're obviously going to need to record some photos to put on your Wix page and to submit to me. Because obviously, you know, you get different looks at your island. You want to have different angles just to kind of get an overall perspective of the design that you made. So what you're going to do to make that happen, the first thing you're going to need to do is select your camera in your scene collection. So just click on your camera over here to make sure it's selected. And then what we're going to do is go to this view menu off to the side. If it's not open right now, it looks like this. There's a little arrow right here that you can press. Click that, it brings it out. Click where it says view. And what we're going to do is we're going to lock here the camera to our view. And we're going to do that so that the camera automatically moves as we orbit through our scene. So in order to get into camera view, there's two ways that you can do it. You can press 0 on your keypad, which is what I have just pressed right now. On the numpad, the number that's on the far right. If you don't have a keypad, what you can do is go to view right here, and then you can choose active camera from this menu here. So go to view, go to cameras, and then choose active camera. And that will toggle between. So pressing the 0 key or going to that view menu, that will do that. And then now that we've locked it to the view, wherever we move our viewport, the camera follows it, and then we can take a picture of it. So see if you want to get like a nice little part of the sunset in there or anything like that to kind of get a decent shot of your island, you can position the camera where you want. So when you decide that you want to take a photo, what you're going to do is, if you're on a PC, you're going to press the F12 key. Or if you're on a Mac, you can press the function F12, which is what I have, and it'll bring up this Blender render, which will show you what it took a picture of, where the camera was, right? It's almost identical to what we had there, right? If you look, they're almost the same image that's there. And then to save a picture, you just click where it says image and then choose save as. And then obviously when you're naming your file, you need to make sure that you're naming it properly. So we always make sure we include the project name in here, and then underscore your name. You can do these as long as both of these pieces of information are here. It doesn't matter what order you put them in. And then because this is a photo, I'm just going to call this one waterfall because it's a photo of the waterfall. And then we click save image as, and or save as image. Right, so you wanted a little bit of a top view of your island. Zoom out a little bit, then you could do the same thing, function F12, and then the camera move because we locked it to our view, and it'll allow us to take other photos. And that'll be the way that we're going to render out these pictures. The 4 photos that you take will go on your Wix page, and then also get submitted to me, and then you will also submit your .blend file so I can actually look at all your work that's there.